Hello, my name is Rebecca, and today I will show you how to make lumpia. First, you all may be wondering, what is lumpia? Lumpia is a Filipino word for what we Americans call egg rolls. It is usually served as an appetizer along with other Filipino dishes. Almost every native of the Philippines has a different and unique way of making them, but today I will show you how my mom makes them. So welcome to Jocelyn's Cocina, and let's get rolling. First, you need your ingredients. You will need 2 meats, 1 package of raw pork, and another of beef, 2 large white onions, 1 bag of shredded carrots, 2 bunches of green onions, 2 heads of cabbages. Secondly, you will start the cooking and cutting process. Place your raw meat in a large pan to brown, and be sure to check once in a while to separate the meat so it is not sticking together. Wash all your vegetables and pat dry. Begin by slicing the green onions. Slice the cabbage. Slice the white onions. And if needed, shred the carrots. Place them all in separate bowls. Once meat is browned, you will start cooking your vegetables. You start with your hardest vegetables first. Example, cabbage is harder, so that will be one of the vegetables you start with. Add your white onions and cook till softened. Next is the cabbage, and again cook till softened. Next is the carrots. And finally, your green onions. Once everything has softened, you will then get a strainer and spoon out your meat mixture and set it over a pan or large bowl, but high enough so it drains the juice and cools. This usually takes about 1 to 2 hours. Thirdly, after the meat has cooled, you will now begin the rolling process. You will make a small mixture of about 1 tablespoon of flour mixed with 1/4 cup of water. Stir with your finger to make a flour milky white mixture. You will need about 4 boxes of egg roll wrappers, a cutting board, a cookie sheet lined with wax paper. Get your wrapper, separate it from the wax paper, and place on the cutting board. Be sure to save the wax paper for later use. Grab a spoonful of your meat mixture and place it snugly against the wrapper. Begin rolling by keeping the meat as snug as possible without breaking the wrapper. The wrappers are very fragile, so use care. Roll about 1/4 in, then bring in the sides. Roll a bit more and use a basting brush. Stir a bit in your flour mixture and dab it on the end of the wrapper twice. And then you place your roll into the cookie sheet so you can stack them together. Refrigerate. Fourthly, is cooking the lumpia. Fill a frying pan or fryer about half full of cooking oil. Heat till oil is warm and use low heat. Once oil is warm, you will take about 6 rolls and place in the oil to cook. Cook on one side till the wrapper has a yellow-like look to it, and flip with tongs to cook the other side. Once the rolls are cooked, place on a plate with paper towel to drain oil and cool a bit before enjoying. That is a tutorial brought to you from Jocelyn's Cocina. I hope this video was very helpful to you, and thank you very much for watching. And as the Filipinos say, O sige! Buongiorno and welcome to Becca's Galley. Today I will teach you how to make a popover. First of all, you need ingredients. The ingredients are 1 cup of white flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons melted butter divided. And then you will preheat your ovens to 400 degrees. Next, add the salt. Stir the dry ingredients, and next you cook the butter. Melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Get some more flour. Take an ice cream scoop and fill them up in cups 1/4 to halfway full. Bake 30 to 40 minutes or till golden brown. Serve popovers with butter. Thank you for watching Becca's Galley.